Alright, so let us now differentiate between cyclones and anticyclones. Now, we usually associate cyclones with typhoons. Now, here in the Philippines, we call them typhoons, and in the United States, they call them hurricanes. Now, what are cyclones anyway? Now, cyclones, these are centers of low pressure. So you know what that means when you say low pressure, that is associated with stormy, bad weather. And the spin or the circulation of air of a cyclone is counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Okay, everybody, kindly take a look at this satellite photo of a cyclone at different locations. So in the northern hemisphere, you will notice that the cyclone spins in a counterclockwise direction. And in the southern hemisphere, a cyclone spins in a clockwise direction. Now, the spinning motion of a cyclone is due to the Coriolis effect. Now, everybody, kindly take a look at this satellite photo of a typhoon inside the Philippine area of responsibility. So you will notice that the typhoon spins in a counterclockwise direction since the Philippines is in the northern hemisphere. Okay, alright, everybody, take a look at this. So this is the United States, and in this weather map, there is a cyclone. So since the United States is in the northern hemisphere, that cyclone spins in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, so cyclones in the northern hemisphere, they spin in a counterclockwise direction. Cyclones are low pressure centers, so they bring stormy, bad weather. Alright, here is a satellite photo of Australia. So you will notice that the cyclone spins in a clockwise direction since Australia is in the southern hemisphere. Now, that is really fascinating about cyclones. Cyclones, these are low pressure centers. Here in the Philippines, we call them typhoons. And a cyclone spins counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, like here in the Philippines. Typhoons, they spin in a counterclockwise direction. And cyclones, they spin clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Now, what about anticyclones? Now, anticyclones, these are areas of high pressure. And you know what that means. When you say high pressure, we associate high pressure with fair, clear, and good weather. Now, the airflow of an anticyclone is clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. So, anticyclones are areas of high pressure, so they bring clear, fair, good weather. And in the northern hemisphere, the anticyclone spins in a clockwise direction. Okay, everybody, take a look at this diagram. So here is a high pressure center in the northern hemisphere. So this anticyclone spins in a clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere, but in the southern hemisphere, this anticyclone will spin in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, and just like cyclones, anticyclones, they spin because of the Coriolis effect. Now, everybody, kindly take a look at this animated diagram. So, anticyclones, these are areas of high pressure. And high pressure areas are caused by sinking cold air. So, cold air is denser, so cold air sinks, creating regions of high pressure. And cold air brings little moisture, so there's little chance for clouds to form. So a high pressure area is associated with good, fair weather. This is in contrast to cyclones. Cyclones, these are areas of low pressure, and this is caused by rising warm air. Rising warm air packs a lot of moisture, so that would trigger the formation of clouds and precipitation. Now,